up, guys? Welcome back to Life of Drive. My name is Dan Thiessen, and today is my 35th birthday. And well, thank you. Today we are going to head to the compound because there's nothing I'd rather do than spend today driving and hanging out with my family. Two of my favorite things in the whole wide world. We're gonna hop in the Focus RS, which me and the little man did a little detailing on this morning to make sure that she is super clean. For us today, we are gonna go check out the compound, check out all my other cars, see how they're doing, maybe do a little photo shoot with them. And then today we are going to do a review on what it's like to drive the Focus RS and everything about it, everything you need to know, from drift mode, sport mode, track mode, launch control. We're gonna have some awesome driving videos, and we're gonna tell you everything you need to know about this Focus RS. This is the best way that I could spend my birthday with my family, driving cars. Let's get to the compound. All right, guys, we're here in the Focus RS, and we're gonna give you a little tour of what's going on in this car here. We are on our way, and we are gonna be driving. This is a 2018 Focus RS, and the difference between the 2018 and between the 2018, 16, and 17 is the 2018 had a limited slip differential, which is gonna help us with our rally racing. First thing I always do is we have drive mode down here. I hit drive mode, and at the very least we need to be in sport mode. Now, sport mode is the first of the 3 different driving modes that is offered on the Focus RS. And what sport mode does is it opens a valve in the exhaust, and we get a little bit of a deeper, nicer tone, as well as you get the burbles in between the shift. That is something that makes me very happy, and something that you will hear as we start shifting through these gears. And then from there, we hit drive mode again, and we go from sport mode to track mode. And in track mode, we get a stiffer suspension if you're going to head to the track and get your lap days on. We need that harder suspension. Now, a warning, if you're drinking your morning coffee on to work and you got track mode on, good luck, because that thing will feel every single bump that you take, and it's going to be splashing all on your face. So you might just want to stick with sport mode. Lastly, we hit drive mode one more time, and we go into drift mode. Now, drift mode, I don't know exactly how it works or the technology behind it, but what I know it does do is it sends more power to the rear wheels so that you can get loose when you want to drift this car however you want to do it. 350 horsepower EcoBoost motor, 350 foot-pounds of torque. This thing's ready to go. We're going to do a full stock review before we do all the modifications so you guys can know what is going on with Focus RS and what we're doing. The only other thing I'm going to show you is how to use launch control. I've used launch control a bunch of times now. Super easy, and man, does it launch the car way harder than if you try to do it by yourself. So if you're going to the drag strip, you got to use launch control. It holds 5,000 RPMs perfectly for you. All you have to do is dump that clutch and speed shift through the gears. I absolutely love this car and everything about it. We're going to keep it in drift mode, and we are going to get some driving done, and we'll talk to you guys in a bit. right, guys, so we are going to show you how to use launch control in the RS and give you a little demo here. All right, so right here on the steering wheel, you're going to hit over, and as soon as it switches over, you're going to go down to settings, hit OK. Once you've hit OK, you're going to go driver assist, OK, and then it pops up. You hit launch control, first gear, you hit the gas as hard as you can, and you let her go, and you speed shift, and you speed shift. That's how launch control is done. That's how, when a Type R pulls up on you and you need to flex, you know how to do it. Let's go. All right, guys, we are back to the compound after an amazing day of filming and a lot of fun driving. I hope you guys like this video. This is everything you need to know about the Focus RS and a ton of awesome footage. If you are enjoying what we're doing here at LifeOfDrive, we need you to subscribe, give us a like, a comment, share with a friend. We're trying to just build awesome car content that you can enjoy and you can love, and it's just gonna get better. We're gonna get better, the drone's gonna get better, the filming is gonna get better, and you know what? Come on now. We got a lot of stuff to film here. That's a lot of cool content that's gonna be had here at the LifeOfDrive compound. Give us a follow. We will catch you on the flip side.